Let's go, everyone. Super excited to be unboxing this box of, it's peeled off a little bit, but cyclosporine. It's pretty much Cequa. Yeah, this is a generic version of Cequa. Show you all how it looks like. This is a 1 month supply, 60 vials. Put in once in the morning, once at night. Alright, comes with a little medical facts. Yeah, this is just for dry eyes, tear production. If you're watching this, you probably know what this is for already. Let's check it out. Wow. In this little foil container, or foil cover container. Yeah, and it comes with packs of 5, perforated, just break one off. Looks like your normal eye drops, but if you know, you know. These are way more intense, way more expensive. Yeah, all right. If you're watching this, hope your dry eyes are doing well, everyone. Take care. Let me know if this product works for you in the comments section below. Yeah, hope you're all doing well. Catch you next time. Later.